I'm Sam Bing here with Lenovo. You may be familiar with this little device, the Daydream viewer. All right, so this has been out for a little while, and this has been Google's premier VR experience platform. We've partnered with Google to develop this device called the Mirage Solo, and what makes it unique, special, and different from this product is everything comes on the device. So you don't need an extra phone. There's no cumbersome attachments. We've developed this to be very ergonomic and comfortable. It's got a nice little ratcheting feature here, as well as the headset's light and it sits right on your forehead. So a lot of ergonomics designed into this thing. What this also has in it that makes it very different from the original Daydream viewer is Google's WorldSense technology. So that's going to give you 6 degrees of freedom. So with this device you can move in and out of the environment, side to side. So a lot more immersive experience. The platform is based on Daydream. So you're going to get, if you're used to using the viewer here, the Daydream viewer, you're going to be able to see this pretty much same interface on the Mirage Solo. And it comes with the Daydream controller as well, so it'll give you that navigation experience. On here you'll see the 2 cameras that gives it some of the WorldSense capabilities. And on the side we've included a micro SD card slot for expandable storage, USB-C charging.
How long is the battery?
Battery life is going to be about 7 hours. So the advantage of that is it runs a Qualcomm 835 processor. So that processor is dedicated purely just for the Daydream experience. So you're not going to have any lag, any overheating issues, none of that. It's all dedicated to
quick charge as well.
Quick charge. It has USB-C charging, so it'll have a form of quick charge. Okay. Yeah, it'll charge fast. Yeah.
And this is obviously for air vent?
This is a little bit of venting.
Okay.
A little bit of ergonomics. This allows you to slide the headset in and out to adjust focus and whatnot. So it helps with a little bit of the focus of the headset. Yeah. So that's the Mirage Solo.
What's the longest you've worn it? Don't lie.
What's the what?
What's the longest you've worn it?
What's the longest I've worn it? About an hour.
How did it feel?
It felt good. Felt comfortable. About the same as the Daydream.
Now was that watching a movie or?
Yeah, that's watching actually some VR content. So it's fairly comfortable. We designed it to be fairly comfortable. It's
so basically,
not much heavier than this.
Everything you can do on a mobile device.
Yes.
With the VR content, games or whatever that's available on an Android device, you can do that.
Yep.
The
Solo.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah. So
Price point.
We don't have an official price yet. Definitely gonna try to keep it under, say, the $400
And
mark.
release date.
Release date would be second quarter of 2018.